How? It says I've been out on. Yeah, I'm live on YouTube. For some reason, it's just now popping up. Oh shit. Okay, my bad. Well, I'm live now. Damn, that's fucked up. Well, you should still be able to go and rewind it now that I've gone live. Because morning, Dorian. What's up? What are you looking at for on the heat map? Sectors. Just looking at the sector holes as a whole. Okay, so let's go ahead and just put. So I'm gonna write these things down. All right. We're human beings. We forget. We get tempted. Sometimes visual cues. Cues. No trade. All right, and this is excluding Baba. No trade until 10, 30, 11 o'clock. If volume sucks, no trade at all. I'm out. And I'm mostly here to help you guys. That's it. Okay? I am not trying to take mad trades today. I swung, meta, meta dumped. That's all I could ever ask for. It's all I could ever dream of. And we're here. So we're at 165.25. I'm going to take some profit. I'll see if it falls just a little bit more. It's got to break down below this 165, and then I would imagine we could see that 164 tap. But at some point, I'll be out of the position as a whole. So how long do I stand behind a screen for? Let's say maybe as a whole, day trading, maybe 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours. What am I looking at now? I am looking at Meta, Baba, and Tesla every single day, all the time. I did build my PC with the help of some friends. What about gaming? Can you guys on YouTube rewind it? Is it letting you rewind it back to where I was? That sucks. I'm sorry. I hope you guys can rewind it. If you can, I'm gonna take a brief intermission. So if you guys want to go to YouTube, it looks like you can do it. It's showing on my screen that you can. So if you guys want to rewind that, that really sucks. I literally hit go live and then switch to screen, and then it just stopped. So any Oculus games? I still play. Well, actually, I lost one of my controllers somehow. I think my daughter threw it in the trash. Um, but yeah, I still was playing golf, and I play a lot of the contractors, which is like basically like Battlefield and Call of Duty and Modern Warfare in VR, which is pretty cool. And then they also had like old maps like the GoldenEye map. Uh, there's a couple other weird maps. They even had a Simpsons map, which is just absolutely ridiculous. So listen, what's my YouTube name? It's I'm streaming on Simple Stacks Investments. I need my coffee, dude. My Instacarted coffee's not here. All right, I'll be right back. Listen, you don't have to trade. You don't. I know that I'm not trying to deter you from whatever it is your plan is. You don't have to listen to me. But if you're in profits on anything this morning, consider it. All right. It's just that simple. Um, if something changes between now and the bell, obviously we'll look at it as it comes. But um, just wait for something to be clear before you just jump in. So mark your levels, have your targets, take deep breaths. You're human trading stocks. Doesn't make any sense. Wow. All right. 922. Human music. I love this song. Good music. I like it. All right. So up here, not on my screen, guys. I have Baba, Spy, and Tesla up top, watching the cues, of course. If anybody's watching Apple, right? I know a lot of people asked me about Apple this weekend. Listen, this hit my target on the dot, literally right here, and it's moved because I was just charting and with the other members. But um, Tesla has, or excuse me, Apple is there. It's right there, and it's already gone and wicked up. It's already retested. It's already done exactly what I said it was going to do. If you guys, those of you guys in the mentorship, you guys remember I just said this. 171. It hit 171.15 and it whipped right back down. So below 168, that's where you could see, and I would start looking at a move down to 166.50. So I listen really quickly, YouTube, everybody. Last time, well, maybe last time, I might have to repeat myself again. I am taking profit on Meta. Pretty much whatever runners, if you guys have any 165s, or if any 160s, um, if you have a 150 out till September 30th, or if you're out longer, you can hold in speculation. But if you're up and you see green, I'm gonna hold until my target, and then what I'll do is I'll leave runners, just maybe one or two, and then if I see another entry, I'll take it. But otherwise, the focus today is Meta, but again, the focus today is just to see where it closes. So. Also, last thing, if you took SQQ with me, listen, this thing is bussin'. Um, I This is September 16th. So we're still, a little bit under a month out, but it may be time to go ahead and start considering profit taking. But I will say that the first level above us is going to be this 38.75, and then the next one is 39.50. So those are two places to watch. I do like the pre-market retest, but we need to see a pop and a drop on the cues immediately. Otherwise, we could rebound and see a pullback. Um, and if you're long on the SQQ with me, the target here, okay, is all the way up at 45 bucks, $44 and 45 bucks. So at the moment, everything is still in line to continue to moving to the upside. But of course, we can always roll profits out. Again, if you guys are in Baba in any capacity, please remember that we might end up having to take a call, or either, if you're done with it, get out of it. All right, that's all I'm gonna say, because Baba is so, it just loves, it's like its pastime is squeezing the shit out of people. So watch for a pop up to around $90.75. If you end up breaking above that and above 91.65, and 90, basically 92 bucks, you're probably going to end up squeezing a little bit to the upside. So
Gary, did you take a hedge on Meta last week?
a hit,
A hedge.
a hedge. I did have a small hedge, yes, just in case. Did you? Did you?
No, I didn't. I didn't take the play at all. I was done trading like early, so I missed everything.
Oh yeah, I have something small. I think it cost me like 40 bucks. It's the upside, but right now I have Meta 150 puts September 30th. Those, if you're in those, those are pretty high on the premium side, so you'll see a nice bump. I would definitely like to take some profit off of the table there. So if you have QQQ 330s, you can just cut them if you need to. If you have August 26 $100 calls on Baba, those are going to be held until they're dead. Not like zero, but until they we pick a direction here. So all right, 2 minutes here until the bell. How can I get into the Discord live chat? Website. You can go through Simple Sex Investments, and there's an area to get in there. We'll be opening up trials at the end of the month, and yeah. What do I recommend buying now? I I don't really like answering those kind of questions. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, and telling what people what to buy is financial advice. So that in respect to that, I also just am not buying anything myself right now as far as long-term equity or anything like that. I'm pretty much primarily sticking to options at the moment until I see. So, all right, here we go. Remember, it's Monday. You don't have to trade the bell. And if you're not a scalper, remember the same moves that you're going to see scalpers taking. You need to wait for confirmation. You're not trading the same. So you got to tune out the noise sometimes. There's that move down, just like I talked about on Meta. Just like I talked about on Meta. There it is. There it is. Target smashed. Target's fucking smashed. Target smashed. Take profit right there. Bam, right at 64. That's money, dude. If you're in SQQ, that's 65%. That's $100 on that contract there. That's money as well, dude. Watch for a Tesla bounce here at 871. Baba is going to be an asshole. Excuse my language, but that's just what it was born to do. So what the fuck? Look at that bounce on Meta. Ooh, damn. Sorry. Damn, look at the bounce. That was disgusting. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hang on to with Baba. Oh my god, dude. Oh, I know this stock so damn well. It feels so good to feel fluid with it. All right, there's Meta. I told you guys Baba's gonna be a dick. Excuse me, Baba. So we need to go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead right now, and this may be really risky, but I have kind of a decent position. I'm going with $90 calls for this week on Baba here. You don't have to take these until it hits your stop or whatever. I just tried to get filled. I did not. I'm going with a 91. All right, filled on 91. Closing out, canceling the $90 call. Unless you got it, you're good. Um, SQQ guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take profit on SQQ and we'll get back into it. But SQQ is good to take profit on if you want to. There, 2 minutes after the bell. Bam, a nice job, man. Is Rod Stringer still at the bar? Possibly. I love your computer setup. Thank you. Me too. This is my favorite part though. Like it. It's nice. That's money, dude. Nice job, young money. Oh, I love it, man. When you guys make money, I make money. All right, so I took a call on Baba, but remember the mass of my position is to the downside, so this is just in precaution. All right, so if we short down and we end up losing this low, right? The target right now for Baba, we got to get down below 89.31. Hold on 1 second. Thank you. There we go. Tesla? What do you mean? Tesla just bounced to 870. Sorry, I was off $1 or $5. Yo, Meta? Meta? If you guys left runners on Meta, nice. If you guys are in Baba calls, I'm down $25. That's okay because I've also have a good amount to the downside. So still holding that call until we break that low. Period. End of story. If you're in Meta, holy dog shit. We are flushing. The next level of the downside is this 162.85. 162.85 is the next level to the downside. We talked about this last week. If you're in those 150 runners, holy fucking shit. All right. Apple's right there with Meta. That's money. Oh man, that is fucking so sick. Listen, 15-minute candle close here on Meta is going to be important for me. I'm not taking it down any further, not adding to my position. I'm not doing anything, nothing. So you guys do what you want, but the only level, if we lose 162.85 today, we talked about this as well. I see a 161.50. So we'll see. I'm totally ready for it, but I'm already in position. We broke out of this channel and it looks like we're closing below it. So if you're day trading and stuff like that, do with that what you will. But all right, next level for Tesla is going to be 865. Baba's having a really, really hard time breaking anywhere, so still holding on to that. Not taking anything on Meta. 8 minutes and 60 seconds until this candle close. Next level for Tesla is 865. That's pre-market lows. SPY just hit 4. Remember, we talked about the diagnosis potentially here on SPY. 415. Break below 165 for Tesla. Holy fuck, man. Meta. Meta going up, not at the moment. Everything just wicked down and is not closing. I talked about this. Not taking any new positions. 15-minute candle closes matter. I got a note right here. No trade until 10:30, 11 o'clock. Those are the rules. The only trade that I've taken is Baba. Why? Because I'm already in. And I took a hedge on it, which is it's right now doing set up okay for a run. All right, what did I say? Baba. Dumb. All right, 11% on the hedge. Next target right now is 90.85 for Baba to the upside. Guys, that's why. Thank you. That's why. 162.75 for Meta. That was 15 cents off, or 10 cents off. I'm all good on that. Still holding those runners, but 105. Okay, so the hedge that I swung on Baba is green, and then the call that I just took on Baba is also green. 90.85 right now is the target. 90.85. We need to look for a rejection at that mark. Candle closes matter, guys. There's definitely more potential downside for Meta. Yes, just look for we got a rejection point right off of Big Stepper just called it 165 rejection. That's the 50% mark. We got 164.55 as well. Or 45, excuse me. And then yeah, you've got this retest at 165, but Tesla's still making its way downtown, walking fast. Faces past. Where did I get my Keith Harrington shirt from? I got the robe on fuck. I think it was like urbanoutfitters.com. I saw it on an ad and I had to get it. I don't talk I actually really like his art a lot. Kind of want some wallpaper. I also like Wayne White. He's one of my favorite artists as well. He's the one he's the one who does there's like a FOMO. It's a $40,000 painting that just says FOMO. Oof. Is Netflix dumping? Oh, good heavens. I love when, I mean, oh, oh my God, look at what they do. They just hate people. It's 225. So next target. What did I just turn French? Target. QQQ gap filled. That's what we just saw here from the Qs as well. Keep that in mind. You can still stay in a downtrend, bounce and reverse all the way back up to 322. I may end up taking a call here. No trading. Look at that. Tempted. To answer your question, yes. Oh my fuck. Yo, Baba. Just like I said, what are my key levels on Apple? Give me 1 second. All right, if you took Baba, um, remember we're hedging. If you're not hedging, then the whole thing is different for you. Okay, it's not the same. So I'm holding what I got. The target was right here, is right here, which is 90.85 for Baba. Tesla 867.21, showing a lot of volume off that level. So Bob is going to have to break above 90.85. If it does, again, we're probably going to see a squeeze. I don't do penny stocks, but other admins in my Discord do. Sometimes I do, but not often. Not very often, no. Perfect rejection. That's money, dude. I kind of do want to take a call on the Qs, just off the gap fill here, back up to the, or even just 50% of it, but because I can see a gap fill to 320 or a partial gap fill 320.50. All right. So right now, Baba's doing exactly so. It's a pain in the ass, but it's not that bad. Okay, so you got a retest right now off of S1. That's the 169.92. This is the hourly. We've got 16 minutes left in this hourly candle. So I think that bouncing and breaking back up to the upside is going to be pretty important. And that's happening. Looks like it's happening right now. I mean, you have a clear level on Apple, pre-market lows, and you've rejected them. So I would say above this little spike right here, 169. What is that? 169.85. You might be able to go tag that the rest of that gap 170.65. So Tesla, there's the level on Tesla I was talking about, and it's melting. What's Meta doing? Would you look at that? 165.50. 164.50, excuse me. Meta, is it going down? Not right now. Just wait and watch. Right now, so what I'd like to do, just based on simple mechanics, the open is at 165.43. The close on that candle is at 163.40. I'd like to see the median, the middle of that candle, which is 164.50. I would like to see a candle close above it. If that happens, then you have a possible retest of 165.75 and 166.18. So do you guys notice that Meta is going up, Tesla's going down? There's 865 and it's gone. All right, come on, Baba. Do something cool, man. If you squeeze, that's fine. I don't even care. At this point, just do it. All right, Apple rejected. So it just needs to get below that level. Oh my God, my alerts are a little obnoxious. Oh, Tesla. 15% on the hedge for Baba. What you think about silver prices? Ridiculous. I'll take a look at them in a minute. So if we do end up losing that level 168.22 below 168.20 below that level, so you can see a little bit more clear right here, 168.15. Below that, you've got it looks like 163.25. And then ultimately I would like to see 166.50. An absolute just meltdown of Baba right now would be a dream come true. So back down below $90, you could potentially add to your short. Right now, things are pushing down. Most of the pressure is down. So is so low. Don't be anybody now. There's a dog outside of my house right now with no collar. Is my cat outside? Hold on, 1 second. Come on, I just don't. Me not bother with my cat to eat by a dog. Meta, nice rejection off of that mark. 164.50. Don't say that. I just took a put on Baba. Why'd you do that? Why you do this? Nothing left to do but wait. Right now, things are looking pretty spooky. Anybody have any questions? Anybody making any bad decisions? Anybody want to unmute themselves? You can always do that. Ask questions. All right, I didn't ask for that. Am I being haunted? Did anybody else hear that? Was that like? Was that? Someone needs to verify this, so I gotta make sure I don't have like voices in my head right now. Maybe that was the music. Sounded like somebody was talking with like a. Oh my god. SQ. Is the financial sector strong right now? Oh, SPY. Guys, remember the levels. I'm telling you. Watch this. Watch. You're at 415.85, maybe just another 415.50. Watch this. It could be for that 414.60 level that we hit. But just watch. So it looks like you actually on PayPal have a reversal pattern, kind of. It's pretty ugly. Yeah, so you broke down and it looks like you're flushing back in, but man, I guess SQ might be leading right now. The financial sector might have bounced, but you hit, yeah, so you actually hit 70. Shit, you hit my target, which was 70 bucks. That's a psychological number. You just went for a retest of the trend and 9-day moving average. So I still say short, but it looks like you're just getting a little bit of a rebound at the moment. So oh my god, did you guys hear that? That was my back. Baba below. You got to Baba calm down. That's what. No, I'm just kidding. Yeah, Baba below 89.50. You're gonna get Baba bruised. Look at Meta. Look at Meta. What do I think about Tesla? Can I please have a signal? We don't really do that here, but you can listen to what I take if I take anything. But holy shit, Tesla, 860. Don't worry, it's coming up on a bounce right here. Did it bounce at 860? 861? Maybe. If I see something, I'll take something. But right now, the only thing that I've taken is I've taken profit on Meta, right? I have a few runners, and I have a Baba call that I've taken this morning as a hedge. And you guys can understand and see why, because this is a demon stock right now. I took a call on BBY. I hurt myself sometimes on purpose too. No, I'm just messing with you. It does have an hourly falling wedge, which could easily turn into a channel here. It looks like you're about to. Oh man, dude. I hope maybe anywhere below $9 and you're a goner. Not you, but maybe. You need to push and hold above 1165, and you got a long ass way to go. You'd have to get really above a 1375 before I even considered that a move to the upside. Yeah, Baba's. Listen, Baba's just a personal issue, right? It's a personal problem that I have. When you are first scaling, and how many contracts do I usually start with? It depends on the premium. If it's far out of the money, like cost wise, like say the meta contracts for 150 were, you know, I don't know, 220, I would have taken five, or four, somewhere in that range. And it all really depends on the price section. I really liked its setup, right? So that would look good to me, and I was okay with scaling it into it that way. God, look at that reversal on meta, guys. They're not going to make it easy. What time is it? It is not even 10:30. Yes, and I've made money and not lost a dime except for Bell. Um, but I would say 2 to 3 is always a good start for me. But again, the premium of the contract, the expectations of the move have everything to do. If it's for some reason I decide to take Disney, I could get away with scaling it at 6 or 7 contracts uh, rather than 2 or 3. So just be patient, guys. That's all. Let's go take a look. Let's blue skidoo down to the 3 minute. I got kids. All right. Maybe a little descending triangle here. We might see the rejection here. This is not for sure, guys. It's just speculative. So watch for maybe a little rejection here. It's not very clear on the 3. What about the 1? That's way better. All right, here it is. There's your 1 minute setup there. So look for a little rejection here. And we need to see a loss of 163.29 so everybody can get faked out at 162.70. You need Baba below pivot. Big Pots put that bear mask on. Where's it at? That's over there. How many people are sitting on cash right now and feel great? How good does it feel to not have to deal with this shit? To swing into something and just be out. It's great. Alex. Oh no. I mean, if you're doing good, if you're scalping. Oh no. Did you make money? All right. Well, okay. All right. What are you talking about? It feels bad. Feels so good. Are you ignoring me? Silver? J-Mac. So sassy. Just if you listen, the stock that shall not be named, all right? We're not going to say its name, but if it falls, below that that $90 mark, you know what I mean? Maybe, maybe. Is anybody in puts with me? I guess that matters. Is anybody still in puts? All right.
I was in a medical, but I'm out.
Do what?
I'm reversing. I was in a medical, but it started going up. I'm out. I'm already out. So.
It's holding that 9-day moving average right now. It's not done yet, though. Give it a second. It's just packed up against there. You could see a quick move down here. Incomplete wave. You got to get silver below 1737. Yeah, it looks like you're due for a bounce. I think it might be time to buy silver, perhaps. Yeah, I would watch for a move back over 1775. Tell me about the robe. Robe giveaway. I'll just give you a really good idea. A really good idea. Oh my god, I just got a great idea. Oh man, see, look at that look at Meta. So watch it now. Who is this? Was that you, Alex? Look.
No, I'm messing with Spy right now. That was me.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So right there.
Yeah,
Now we
trying to do I don't think. Oh, you're saying you might keep going down?
it has a descending triangle at the moment, so there is a possibility of a flush down here. I would anticipate a move down to around 162.25, maybe somewhere in there. But if it bounces and squeezes back up, then obviously I would be looking for a retest of 165. Yeah, the right thing to do right now is I'm not trading. May not be the right thing for you, but for me, it's the right thing to do. That's what heroes do.
Spot looks exhausted to me. What do you think, Eric? Like it's making a push right now, but the volume.
Yeah, that 5-minute hammer. I still have the 415. We're still, not quite there yet. So I think we could still. I'd say that the movement right now is pretty draggy. We're not getting like a ton of. It's moving, but we're not getting a ton of we're just not seeing those bids like fly in my opinion. I think that that means that we're getting close to a bounce. But yes, I do think that there's exhaustion from the buyers trying to push it back up. So. Potter, what do I think about VRAX, low float, recent IPO, shorting king getting drippy? Yes. Oh, I didn't even know. Look at the blue matches. Pretty lit. I got the the dumbest shit I've ever bought in my life, but the most comfortable. So kind of not. Are you missing something with AMD? No, it's not you. It's AMD. I promise. This you can't take personal. Just simplify it, right? Let's go find out what's going on. Ah, got it. So where is resistance? That's unusual. No, I mean, regardless of these trend lines, where you're at on the chart is just crazy, guys. And like, this is where we learn the reason why I'm not trading is the reason why this works for me is because I know where meta is at. Like, if it falls further, that's great. But meta is right underneath and right around 165. It has to go and either A, retest gap fill, or B, has to at least show some attempt to move to the upside in order to show that sellers are willing to keep pushing it back down. And we see that a little bit, but the price action is small. So there is nothing for me right now. And until not even if I was scalping, do I really see anything. Um, so anyway, we're all here because there are no setups. Well, I'm here to confirm to you guys that you're right. And when you're right, so that means you're doing the right thing. No setup, no trade. Now you just have to figure out what you do when you're not trading. Go pull up a simulated account and just place like $100,000 on something stupid. You know, just look at the mechanics of it and just see what happens. But the facts are the facts right now. AMD has got to like let's go to the 4 hour. Take a look at what we're dealing with. So we get rid of all the pivy ups, everything. All right, look, that's AMD all day. Okay, so right now, 1, 2, 3. Look at this trend line coming off the top. Can you imagine the squeeze, right? And then everybody aims for the gap and they pull it back down or they send it right back up to the upside. And we can stay in this range longer. So there's no guarantees. So it's not you, it's just the price level that you're at. And to be honest with you, I feel like we're going to the upside. I've said it. I said this morning, red, green. And I think that's why you're seeing weak red. We're probably going to see some sort of green. I could be wrong, and I'm okay with being wrong. I'm 100% okay with that because I'm not going to be taking any trades until I see anything better than this price action. This is terrible. Where's a good place to start reading chart reading, graph reading? So we do have some good steps in our Discord. We also have quite a bit of books, links, and then of course, you can always tune into our lives, other traders here on TikTok. There's a couple that I like to talk to, and they have really good charts, different trading styles, but yeah. Harry Potter and the Great EV Pump. Can't forget that book. Yeah, I've also say, but I'll say it. Potter Paul plug from high 40s and 7 wrote that uneasy. Ridiculous. Do you use TradingView? I do, but I've been having some issues with it. Not a big fan. All right, Meta is showing a little bit of a break. All right, but you know what happens in these 1 minute candles? Let's take a look. So watch Meta down here and tapping 162.78 again. Yeah, Dr. Spy. Listen, guys, we found this guy basically like in an alley. Like he was is he on live? It's corn. Big lump of knobs. It has the juice. Where's he at? I need to make sure he's yeah. He was on Wall Street bets. Gambling. Gambling his life away. And now he's Dr. Spy. It's beautiful. All right. So either A, watch for a bounce here, or if we flush low of day, then maybe I was wrong. Ash. Calm down. Then I tried it with butter and everything changed. Ow. You gotta resist. This is when decent traders become good traders, and good traders become great traders because you're not trading, you're watching, and then getting to and it's getting over that fear that you're missing out. You're not gonna miss because if unless you just didn't take the trade last week, which is fine. If you didn't, oh well. You'll take the next setup, but we have to find the next setup. And if you're taking a day trade based off of a 1 minute setup right now, blockers. You have mono. Well, thanks for telling us, Parallax. There- There's no way. I can't. I think you found a lookalike, dude. Try to stretch my leg out right now. I feel the FOMO. Feel it. It's okay to feel it. Just don't do anything. You're allowed to feel all the things that you want, but we don't react to them. Go punch something, preferably not human or alive in general, unless it can punch you back, like a kangaroo. I feel like that's probably fair game. Gorilla. Nah, don't punch that. You're never gonna trade again. Oh, that's my darkest fear. Deepest, darkest fear. Just gorillas are so scary. How's Timas? I haven't seen. That's a good question. Oh, look at that, right on time. Do you guys want to short Timas with me? T-Musty? We'll take a long short out on it. Yeah, fuck it, why not? This is the saddest I've ever seen FinFiz. That makes me laugh. I don't know why the way you that's hilarious. Oh my god. Yeah, so they only have October 21st. What did I say my price target was? 133. Oh my god, look at the spread. There's no point, man. There's no point. Let's go see if it tightens up a little bit. Maybe September 16th. Shit. You might have to go with a 140. I don't like that, man. That sucks. Is there any volume out here? The spread's kind of tighten up out in January of 2023, but you're damn near writing them yourself. Yeah, holy crap. Baba. Baba. Hold on. Nice.
Garrett, do you still have that Baba hedge the goal?
Yeah, I'm down $22 on it.
Yeah. Okay. Just curious.
Do you? You sound like you do.
I do.
Yeah. You
I
sound like
do.
you have.
I didn't get rid of it yet.
Yeah.
But it's very bouncy.
And that's why I'm holding it for now. But it looks like we got a rejection. Looks like it. If we can get this flush, then we should see another leg down. But then at the same time, right? I'm gonna hold on to the 100 call, right?
Yep.
And that has to go below 88.50.
Okay.
So
Get it, Baba. Amazon has a gap below 132.
Apple
Big
or
gap.
Amazon. Let me take a look at it. Guys, I think I might pass on yield. Yeah, I'm a pass on T-Mobile. Wait, oh my god. I was just looking at Toyota. Damn, autocorrect got me. All right, let's try this again. That's embarrassing. I'm over it though. All right, September 16th. October 21st. Much better. Much better. I can deal with that. Look at the 135 puts. Got some pretty high open interest. It's a little bit more expensive than I was anticipating. We could take it even further down, and we could go 130. Yeah, so that's 130. So those are 280. The spread on those is fine. September 30th. Jesus Christ, Amazon. So with Amazon, you've got this level here. It is 132.57. That is the only place that I could anticipate a potential bounce. Obviously, from there, I would say 130.82, and I've got, for some reason, yeah, so 128 or 129 would be a floor for there, but I'm still anticipating a potential bounce sometime today. So if it's gonna bounce, I would see 132.70 as the bounce area. Look at Meta. Not today. And the squeeze. If it breaks right here, 163.75, and it will squeeze. All right, back to T-Mobile. So I am gonna take the, let's see here. I mean, shit. I think I'm gonna go and just take the October. I think I like October. I like it's a little bit more pricey. 135 seemed like a decent area too. I'm gonna go with October. This is light, guys. Speculative. It's not my stock. I don't trade it. But it's 150. I'm gonna try and get in here and see if I can't get into T-Mobile. 130 strike October 21st. I'm gonna see if I can. It looks like somebody's buying it right now. Which one of you just bid at 151? Stop dropping the bid. I'm gonna raise the bid on you. 154. No fill. About 158. All right. I got filled at 158 on T-Mobile.
What did you pick on T-Mobile?
I took the 130 put October 21st. And I got filled at 158. I'm telling you, yeah, I'm hanging on to Meta right now. Or I mean, I'm tempted to. I mean, shit. Very tempting to grab a call, but one of
I'm mad at Meta right now.
you're in Meta right now.
Not mad.
You're mad at it.
Yeah,
Why?
because I got out too early.
Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Oh, because it dropped a little bit further.
Yeah.
That's where profit is profit for sure, man. Which doesn't help when you're pissed off, but it's like telling your girlfriend to calm down. Which always works 100% of the time. I recommend it. Does anybody want to show me a clear setup that they see? Anything that they're about to take? Anybody just enter a position? I'm right here. You have the power to unmute yourself or just type it in the chat. What'd you do? What are you in?
Apple shorts.
Apple bottom jeans? Apple bottom shorts? Boot gains? I'm sorry. I'll never do that again. It's you have to break range below 168. Added to my Baba Foots, you are a madman. Plus, that's the hustler mentality. Let's go. Just took an Amazon 132 put. Still in cash, everyone. Careful, everybody, please.
Hey Garrett, so what I'm looking at is with volume and like a close above VWAP on Meta. Actually, like a solid long.
Ooh. I mean, I'd say popping up to VWAP right now, 163.73 is probable. But yeah, I mean, what's your target there?
My target would be top of that red count, basically 165.50.
So retest.
Yeah, it's like a safe target would be 164.50. But like the ultimate target would be at that was 5.88.
We don't have courses. The way that my back just cracked. Ouch. I think I just paralyzed myself. So right now everything is weak. Bounces is weak. Sellers or buyers aren't really doing much. I think we might be. Yeah, I mean, I'd say above VWAP seems solid. And then for me, I had 164.40 as a level to watch, the upside. So that's going to be a target for the upside. And then, yeah, 165 would be a solid retest. But meta is building down right now. Q bounce. The Qs appear to have a weird looking. Watch the bounce incoming. Hold on 1 second. Hold on. I got it for you. Right here. Look at this. Look at the Qs. Let me show you what I'm looking at. It can still flush through, but look at the Qs. Bam. Right there. If we're going to springboard or do anything, it's going to be here. Yeah, meta new low day. Same thing with well, not quite actually. Careful on meta. Or on, yeah, on meta. Sure. If the Qs flush out of this 100%. Which
and Qs are in a gap. Yeah, pushing the gap.
the Qs filled their gap. The next level to bounce for the Qs is 315.50. SPY. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's nearing my pivot target. Right here. It's 1406. It's already flushed through this top. I mean, meta's melted. Meta's pushing down with the Qs and everything else. But again, I've been waiting on these levels for about. This is the reason why I haven't taken any trades, and I'm probably not going to, except for Baba. I'm from Ukraine. What's up, man? Are you in Ukraine right now? Oh shit, you're like really in Ukraine. I see your pictures, dude. Well, best of luck out there, man. I don't know what you say to somebody at war. It's not like a Hallmark card for that or anything. It's crazy though. Absolutely crazy. I feel like those people are isolated from the world, kind of, but they're not. They have the same TikToks that we do. Thanks for doing this. Thank you. Lots of red today. Yeah. Good point, BT. Is there a specific candle close that I'm looking for on Meta? Right now, I see kind of weak. Go look at the 15-minute candles, and you'll kind of see that we're starting to see a major slowdown. And then the hourly candle, Jesus Christ. I gotta chill with that. Anyway, was I up? Were we right about that? Hold on. Fuck. Yep. Look at it. There it is.
Wow, beautiful bounce.
Yep.
On the money.
Yep. Right on the fucking money, man. Look at that. Boy, boy, boy. Yep. A bounce. I didn't get filled. Well, you haven't broken all the low. You haven't broken levels yet. I mean, look at Tesla, guys. Tesla still has 865. It's got to go push through. This just is probably a little retest area for a couple places. 190 puts on what? On cat? I hate that stuff. Ugh. Oh, you're right at support. I wouldn't go shorting quite yet, my friend. Um, oh yeah, 100%. Definitely would exercise some caution on this one. That you could see a rebound today. Would I scalp AMD? No, I wouldn't scalp on a Monday yet. Not quite yet. Look at AMD. Nothing's broken out. You know, everything is in range. Tesla, you guys should. I mean, if you guys are looking at this, just like we talk about every week, you know, the boxes that I draw on the daily, it's the same shit, guys. Where are buyers? That's all I want to know. Where are buyers? Where are sellers? We know where sellers are. We know where buyers are. We need who wins, right? Right now, we see a candle close bullishly here or here, and Tesla could end up going back up to pre-market highs, which is around 178. Which again, it could be this, right? So watch for Tesla to go retest 871, 875, somewhere in there. If you break to the upside, and then to the downside, I've got 856.41. So you have a simple, right? Because everybody who's shorting here, they're going to have to cut. They're more than likely going to, right? And anybody who's stubborn enough to hold, they're going to get out. It's all going to snowball this back up. You'll see a retest there. And then from there, you can decide, you know, whether or not you're going to end up going back up to 175 or rejecting. So I think things are kind of slow right now, but you could see a very quick move up, right? And so what do you do right now? Do you wait for the candle to go? Well, once the candle closes here, what happens? You're already you don't have much room. So you wait for either the stock to get down right here, 860. You wait for maybe a bit of a bounce. You can enter there, right? And then scale in as it moves over and then exit those previous positions. So I use these boxes on the lower time frames when I'm entering trades to establish or use other people's money as leverage, right? So if I decided to go short here, same thing. I see that most shorts are coming off of this 150, 160, 865 level, excuse me. And so above 865 and 866, those shorts would candle close, possibly have to end up getting out of the position. Candle close. If they do, again, mechanically speaking, we're going to see a move to the upside. So I thought you used to watch the 15-minute time frame only. I watch whatever time frame I have to, I guess. So if I already know what's going on in the 15, I want to go down to the 5 and just go look at that price action. How is it developing? Zoom back out, see how it looks there, you know. There's no it's all matters of what you're looking for. I'm telling you right now that these little patterns you see form on a Monday, like on Meta and stuff like that, yes, that was a cool little bounce there on the Qs and everything like that. Those things can easily extend themselves and continue that price action development and stay in range. So again, I feel super safe in cash. Baba, again, solid asshole, 10 out of 10. Just absolutely the worst. But we're here for it. So this is great. I'm having a blast. Apple is rejecting its hourly 200-day moving average, 169.30. And it's got a level below it at 168.25 and 168. What are we doing on AMD? Oh shit. All right, let me draw something for AMD. Here, come look at the screen. That pissed you off. Maybe. Keep your eyes peeled right here. I wonder. Bro, you about to hellaciously dump down to 92.18. Pre-market lows, 93.16 here. Hold on a second. Why is this chart different than the other one? $92.75. Sorry, I'm off. So I'm curious to see if this channel develops. Am I in a position? No, so it doesn't hurt to speculate, but let's see what happens. Something just crossed a link. Oh shit. Did I miss that? Oh, I did. Oh my god. Wow. Oh my god, what is this? How dare you? Oh my god. All right, Baba's probably gonna above that pivot point go to 91.13. This is hilarious. I'm loving this. Just the best. Yeah. NVIDIA earnings on Wednesday. Do you think it's time to buy now before earnings? I don't do anything before earnings. If I only took profit on 9 to not my 9:30. I was gonna hold them. Does that make sense? Yeah. I mean, and if you want to hedge them, you can. Just have a mark in which you feel that you like the entry to the upside. Let's see. Looks like it's gonna go in reverse here. Watch Meta 163.75 here to the upside. Baba again squeezing cash. Love it. $91 to the upside. That's the target. I still have that call. This is why we set these stop losses. Robert, you same thing?
Yes, I still have the bubble pool.
Okay. How's everybody doing today? Nobody big red. We're not getting any big reds. King, I know you said you entered Amazon, dude. Are you still in Amazon puts? Okay, Amazon didn't drop nearly as hard. Or pop, excuse me, nearly as hard, but Meta is down $20. Okay. And you're in puts, right? Okay. Yeah, above 134. Slightly I've gone it. Thank you guys for the likes. 6.7K. Appreciate it. Above 134, it's going to go back up to the upside. You're going to see probably a retest of 134.50, 134.75. Man, see that little note, TikTok, right here? Just simple note, no trade until 10:30, 11 o'clock. What time is it? It's 10:38. No trades, only hedges. Hedges going well. Why? Because I want to take a big play on. I mean, Meta right now would have to get back up above. So I mean, we're really fucking far. Excuse me, turned into a pirate over the weekend. We would really need to get up above, S2. But the only place that I see is 165, which is where we opened up at, right? So, damn, dude, we got close to being all the way there. But is anybody still holding 150 meta puts with me? Just runners, just a couple, one, whatever you got. I can't lose money if you don't trade. Yes. Huh?
I said no, I'm not in.
You already you took profit on all of them.
Yeah. Well, I actually just stayed. Didn't do anything.
I'm in a 157.50 put. What's your expiration, Corey? Dude, if I start balding, it's gonna be from Baba. This thing is gonna peel my hairline back. No kizzy. Yeah. Is Manny still around? Yeah. Just the Cuban assassin. Assassin's, quiet. No, I'm just kidding. He's just trading in the Discord chat. I don't know. Oh. I kind of thought about the things up there. I don't know about like. Manny's at Tesla HQ. Yeah, right. All right. Baba. Oh, the squeeze. Come on. Where does it? Hold on. Let me go. There it is. Why? All right. Why? Are you short meta right now? All right, Baba. Let's see if it does it. Gotcha. How much in the profit? Were you at profit this morning? I'm assuming. And what was you said the 26th? Oh man, dude. I didn't even see that part. Corey, you can't. You like when you hit a low like that, you got to roll your position out or you got to take profit. Anything that's short expiration, homie, you can't hold them like that. Even on a Monday, when I mean, especially with everything I was talking about, 20%. I mean, that's because you're so far out of the money. I mean, I get it, but the 26, you could get throttled if we did end up seeing a real reversal, which we don't have that. quite yet. Meta, I have a target on Meta right now. Income maybe 164.24. So never mind. It's here. I had to put it up on the big screen. So here. So either A, we go for a real reversal on Meta here to the upside above 163 and truthfully above 164.45, or we could drop for a new low at 161.75. So Hannah, I'm bearish on Meta for a multitude of reasons. So yeah, so all the levels that I said that Meta or Spy and stuff could end up bouncing at, if they're broken, those are the retest levels now. Do you guys see how S1 on Meta is performing? Right? 168.78. 163.78, excuse me. Oh man, feels so nice not having to deal with this shit right now. Baked on the spy put swing. What's next? Waiting for the next setup, man. I'm gonna be honest with you right now. This is when people start to really lose a lot of money because they try and pick direction after or the direction has already been completed. If I say something, guys, and like I say, I think we're gonna bounce, or I think like downside's done or upside's done, and you don't understand why, or it doesn't make sense why I'm saying it, like you can always ask me why I think that. You know what I mean? Like if I don't elaborate deep enough or something like that, like so that way you can see what I see. That's the point here, because you if you do take something and you lose money on it, like that's one way to see something, but there's also like comparing and contrasting. So so much less stress. First lady out of isolation after second negative test. COVID rate. I said I'm bearish on Meta. That is not a company that I am bullish on. I believe it's an $80 stock, maybe even a lower. Just broke my nail. Damn it. Broke a piece of it off. Why are you standing up today? My back hurts, man. It's getting old. Her. You okay? You're not gonna sleep for like 30 minutes after this. Might have to wake up. Do those high knees for back row. High knee raises. That's a good idea, actually. Yo, Tesla, hot dog. Look at that 870, damn near 870 retest there. You should hit the gym, Short King. I got a gym in my house. Yeah, I got you. Oh shit, you're short on it, right? You're at that level. You're right there, dude. Like right there. Hold on a second. Oh my god. Nice. Incomplete. Let's see, is that it right there? Thank you, Matt. There. All right, Bob, I'll go do it. Do something. AMD looks like it's rejecting its downtrend. A downtrend. So AMD would have $93 if it rejected here. Make up your mind, Baba. And I swear I get mail for every other help item. What's up, Sharky? What? Calm down. Ridiculous, bro. Look at the pause, y'all. We got 7 figures. So you guys thumbs. So
Garrett, so thinking if we see a break of the 414.50 on SPY, we could get a little bit more on the gas. What do you think? Ain't even gonna hold you. I just got into a position 415.
give me your analysis one more time. Let me hear that one more time.
Yeah, so I just got a couple of contracts at 415. I got 410. Yeah, my entry is 415, like in the dock.
Okay.
Stop loss, like, and I want to add 414
You want to add at 415, 414.50?
Yeah. That's
Um,
basically low of day.
Right. You can for that extra little leg. I had to remember your scalping. 414.06 is S4 here, so that would be the next target to the downside for me on that one. But yeah, I mean it. Nice rejection. Yeah, I think that's good, man. Because VWAP is lined up with that, basically where this little area of consolidation happens, right? And that's where you got a lot of money pushing this back down. So that's where you would likely see a reversal. So I like that. It looks good, man. I'd take that trade. Good, mostly because the stop loss is good. Dude, French lo-fi beats. Or is this French? I don't know. King, man, I feel like you might be snowballing a bit. If you feel, like I said this morning, if you feel like you're already dealing with the mental issue, right? Of just having maybe snowball, that it only gets worse until you stop and let just watch. You know what I mean? And that's the hardest part, is because we want to make those gains back, but we got to stick to the mechanical part of it and like the analysis part of it. Where we know that Monday is we gapped down heavy, and we then saw red like a good move to the downside. So at some point, right, like you're not going to get much more out of the market before they jerk it back up, which we've seen. And of course, there is further downside right now. I see AMD. If you're shorting AMD below low of day, I've got a target on AMD 92, 92, 92, 90, somewhere in that range. Right. So we gap down with, little catalyst, obviously anticipating, interest rate, more aggressive Fed, but yeah, MNMD is going to rock it. Listen, Victor, I absolutely, actually really like that company. And I don't own any shares. I think I might have some in like Robinhood or something. I think I have them somewhere, but that was one of the only stock, and I got out of those stocks a while ago. But I'm not. Baba's the only thing that I'm watching. Again, I've made my money. I'm. This is why. Like, how great is it that we don't have to sit in front of the screen? I'm only here, to make sure I can manage Baba, and then talking to make you guys, making sure that you guys are able to ask questions, and if you're taking any trades, have at least a backboard to bounce ideas off of. So, but yeah, there's just not a ton there. I'm not. So for me, and this is myself, right? I noticed that when I trade after a successful swing trade where I've made more money than I, anticipated, or whatever, I notice that I lose money, right? And so until I can, make that not a thing, I have to do what works for me, and how I feel. So if I swing, I'll get wicked with it, and all of a sudden my 5 lot's turning into 15. King, I want to make sure that, these notes that you're doing and writing down your plays, go write down the things that you do right on a list, and go write down the things that you do wrong on a list. To put them side by side, you can send them to me, or like this weekend or something. See if you can't formulate some questions to find some resolve. But kind of just like in life, we got to reflect on what we've done, and figure out the best course of action going forward. So it's like you're making your way down there, Alex. Good short.
Yeah, holding off for that 1406, but I might sell a few just to take some money off the table.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, King, man. There's a lot of times where you're gonna feel defeated, dude. That's when you gotta like power up. It's like this is a pivot point. Most things always have to pull back before they go up, and that wasn't just about stocks, but it just happened to work. So sorry. Do you recommend percentage stop loss or TA stop loss? TA stop loss 100%. I don't do percentage. Microsoft, why are you yelling at Microsoft? Tell me why. Oh shit. Nice. Hey. It's a good song. Young Micro, I got a level here. Oh, you're about to tap it right now. 277 or 278. AMD bounce here. This is my bounce level for AMD. You don't have to take that, but I am short TMA, CI, AMT, and Walmart out to October. Damn, dude, you might as well just go take a nap. Set some stop losses. Just answered Tesla calls. Oof, why? You just crossed your 9-day moving average. I mean, I'm not trying to question you. Let me see if I see what you see. I feel like I'm being a bad influence on here. Maybe I should hop off. Okay, you might have a bounce there. You didn't quite tap resistance, so they can keep it all chopped up in here. Right as you say that. What's this? Oof. Bringing it right within a breath. It is, if you're struggling, even when I'm struggling, I size down. What's my theory on whole ribbon crosses? The higher the time frame, the more solid it is. Number one, I actually buy and sell stock when the market's moving up using the whole ribbon on the daily and the weekly. That's it. Literally, that's it. What? What's the diagnosis, Alex? Have you detrimmed out?
Yeah, I just exited my last two.
Okay. Gnarly bounce right off of right before you hit it. It was just 414.30.
Yeah,
Yeah, 414.35.
It was not like, look at where it's like it's bottom right now. It struggled so much to like get further. I said, no, actually, yeah. That's good trade though.
Oh my god, dude. This is not the time we held, my friend. This is a domestic fat breed right here. Good build, solid rump. Oh shit! Don't jump on that chair. You see those people on TikTok? They like just stretch the cats out. They're like, this is a Norwegian short-haired gilly cat. Ridiculous. Good base. Bearish or bullish cat? She's always bearish.
I think we finally see a green push, that red green we were talking about.
Yeah. Some point it's gonna happen. So I feel like it's 11 o'clock here, guys. I feel like it's a good time to go ahead and call it. I don't want to be on here tempting everybody. I'm going to try and be a good example here. I'm going to be back on at some point today. I tell you what, if the market moves, period, Baba's still holding that $91 call. But if we see something, but again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I need to see. So like if Meta moves back up to 165 and closes a candle there, I'll take a swing trade or call, right? But everything I'm going to do is going to be light until we can start building up a new position for the next leg down. But with that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and call it. I'll be on no pot or no man. That means you guys gotta. I mean, you can obviously talk amongst yourselves, but this is the time where you can do a little bit simulated trading, a little bit, because the goal is right to be able to do. Stop rubbing against this chair. To be able to do this on your own, right? So. What do you mean day trade? Are you saying like not trading period? Because I don't think that he should just stop trading period. But it could be a good time to regroup. Yes, a lot of the times where I would fail or be failing, I'd have to take a break just for my mental health. Helps give you a good perspective too. So. Oh, if we're not trading. Oh, I thought you were talking about King. Got you. Thank you. Yes, I agree wholeheartedly. So, all right. Well, Baba looks like it still wants to go touch 91. So keep your eyes peeled for that one. Good hold on that one. Good patience. Stupid. But anyway, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Take care. Don't snowball. Good risk management. Or just go do something with your life. All right. Peace.